Hello kids! Let us learn about shapes and colors. Here are the colors. Let's learn the names of these colors. First one is red. Next color is orange. Next color is yellow. Next color is green. Next color is purple. Next color is blue. Now let's use a color dough for our circle. Here is the orange dough. Let's open it. Wow! Come, let's use the orange dough to make a circle. Our circle shape is ready. Now let's go to the next shape. Look, it's a triangle. Let's use green color for the triangle. Wow! Let's do it. First side. Now the second side. And the third side. Yay, our triangle is ready. Now let's go to the next shape. It's a star. Let's use yellow color for this. Wow, look at that. Let's start making the star. Yay! Our star is ready. Now let's go to the heart. Let's use red color. Wow! Let's make the heart shape. Yay! Our heart shape is ready. Now next shape is a square. We'll use blue color. Wow! Let's put the first side, second side, third side and fourth side. Our next shape is a rectangle. We'll use the purple color. Wow! Let's put in the dough. First side, second side, third side and fourth side. Yay! We did it! We learned about shapes today.